Greetings! In today's video, I want to take a look at the advent calendar made by Schmincke. I know, it's no longer the holiday season. I ordered this calendar to get it in time for last December, but then our postal service was affected by a strike that really slowed down transit times. I ended up receiving this calendar far into January. As it's a rather unique item, I thought I'd still take a moment to showcase it and talk about it. That way, maybe you'll know to look for it next fall. Like most advent calendars, it comes in the form of a large, flat box with small doors that open to reveal a surprise item under them. In the case of this one, the surprises are 23 half pans of Schmincke Academy paint and 1 full pan of shimmer Schmincke Horadam paint. The box itself is really pretty too, featuring a holiday-themed watercolor painting and the words Creative Christmas in gold foil. I think it is a really nice advent calendar, especially if you have a young artist in the family that would be thrilled to get a new color each day for a month. I say young artist mainly because the Schmincke Academy paints are the student range that Schmincke offers. It is one of the best student range I've tried, but still not quite the same as the professional range. The main difference is the limited number of colors available. The Academy range has 24 colors, so this calendar includes all of them but one. I don't know why they chose that one, but Payne's Gray was left out. I purchased my calendar from the Society for All Artists, which is a UK-based association and store. They had a special discount going on at the time I bought it, which brought it down to a £30 price tag. It feels like a very decent price for 23 half pans of very good student-grade paints and a large pan of artist-grade shimmer paint. I wanted to mention that the box is nicely thought out in the way the small paper doors open. The left side doors open to the left, while the right side ones open to the right. Assuming I'm explaining this right. You can always check the video to see what I mean here. So what do you think of this calendar? Would you like to see me swatch the paints that came in it? Let me know in the comments below. Take care, bye bye.